Salam guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a new drive from C drive. First you have to go to Start, right click and Disk Management. It will open for you this window. In this window you will go to drive that you want to shrink volume from it. For me, I want to shrink from C drive. You will right click and go to shrink volume, and it will give you some values: total size, size of available shrink space, and enter amount of space to shrink. How much you want to shrink from this drive. You will write the megabytes that you want to shrink from it to make a new volume, and you will do shrink. But for me, I will not do shrink because I've already did. Okay, bro. After you shrink volume from C drive, it will come to here and give you the volume here in black color, and it is called unlocated with the gigabytes available. Okay, you will right click and new simple volume to make a new drive with new letter, and next. And in here you have simple volume size in megabyte. This is the volume you have. You can use this whole volume for only one drive with one letter. For example, you want to make a drive with letter F or B or E, you can just type next. Or if you want to divide this by number 2 and you'll make 2 drives. It depends on you, in your case. For me, I want to make this 33 because I want to have some volume here, to let some volume here to make another new drive with another letter. Okay, in my case I want to choose the letter R. Okay, in this step it will ask you if you want to format. If you format, you'll choose this, but I don't want to format. I will choose do not format this volume and next. Okay, and here we go, you have your new drive. This is details, and next, finish. Here we go, we got our drive ready, and still I have some unallocated space. I want to make a new drive. Okay, let's make a new drive again. New simple volume, next, and use it all, and letter, what should it be? Let it be this, and next, and I also don't want to format, and next, and here we go, we got new volume, and finish. Now I have my drives. We close. Okay guys, sometimes when you open your drive, it tells you have to format disk so you can use it. Because it is new and I don't have anything in it, I don't have problem formatting it. Warning, formatting will erase all data. Okay, I don't care. Format complete, and okay, why you are getting me in loop? Okay, close. I formatted twice. Now I got my drives. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. Bye.